your shoulders. I kiss your waist and leave your mind. I must be fair, but you're not there. I can it's the regret, it's the regret. And that's the real life, so right there all the time. You're a part of me, and you keep me alive. And that's for night tonight. I've been fucking you right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second, till the night tonight. I've been fucking you 7 days a week.
Okay, good job. Bravo for you.
Bravo, yes.
Nice, congratulations, nice pronunciation.
Yes,
Get better, okay? Get better in everything, and definitely I see you around the world, okay? I will see you around the world, and we'll see each other in conversation class very soon, I guess, like maybe in 6 months or something.
Oh.
Okay?
Yes, thank you.
Okie dokie, we have arrived to YSMN Institute.
Thank you.
Dokie Roki. Oh. There you are. Okay, bye-bye. Take care. Sí, estás con seguro de guaguas. So you want to escape.
Como para no salir.
Okay, guys, girls and guys, be good. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Peace. Bye. Bye.